Hello, my name is Jason Madison, and today I'm going to be working through a challenge from the website codeeval.com. The name of the challenge is Sum of Digits, and what I'm going to need to do is to, given a positive integer, find the sum of its constituent digits. I'm going to need to print to standard out the sum of the numbers that make up the integer, one per line. To complete this challenge, I'm going to be using C# inside of Visual Studio. I've already created a text file with some test data, and Visual Studio is going to be helping me by, and I've already set this up as a command line argument, and I've set up the name of that text file. So the first thing we're going to need is some variables, one string to hold the line as I read it in, and a couple of ints, one to hold the number after it's been converted, and one to hold the sum of the digits. I'm going to set both of those to 0. I'm going to need an object to help me read in the file. So to do that, I'm going to use system.io.streamReader. I'm going to name the object file, and I just need new system.io.streamReader, and the path is going to be args, the first argument that's read in. I'm going to need a while loop that runs until there are no more lines in my document. At the same time, I'm going to go ahead and save each line into my string variable named line. So I'm going to say line equals the name of the object and read file. Or read line. I want it to keep looping as long as line isn't null. And I did something wrong. Then I'm going to need to convert the line to a number so I can do some math with it. So I'm going to use convert.toInt32 line. And I'm going to save that into my variable named number. To pick away each digit, I'm going to use a while loop, and I want it to keep looping as long as there's at least one digit left. So I'm going to say number is greater than or equal to 1. So for each digit, so sum of digits, we need to pick off that very first digit. And so we're going to mod number by 10. And then we want to go ahead and get rid of that digit we just added to sum of digits. So I'm going to say number, and then actually go ahead and divide it by 10 to get rid of that digit. Now we need to go ahead and output the sum of the digits. And we need to go ahead and reset, after that, sum of digits to 0 for the next line. So let's go ahead and run the program to test it. And to do that, I hit Control and F5. So here's my test data, and here's the output. And you can see 2 and 3 is 5, 4, 6, 9 is 19. Then I got 4, 5, should be 10, should be, 11, 15, 18, 20, 21. So, it works. Let's get rid of some of these using statements that we don't need. Let's save it. Let's copy my code. Let's go back over to CodeEval's website and submit my code so they can test it. It says it submitted successfully. Let's go look at my score. And it ran. Status is solved. So it worked. So here is the code for the CodeEval challenge named Sum of Digits. Thank you very much for watching.